Okay, we're live. 9:30, January 7th. I put a trade on because I think we're going to drop here, but this is not part of my strategy. I just feel very overextended. So, Alexa, volume down. So if we put a fib on this, anyway, so put a fib on this, we're way up here, 0.886. So it breaks this, then we're going up, all right? But if we can start our retrace, then I'm going to take it down to probably around here. This looks like a good spot. Okay, so that's kind of the plan. But we're taking a beating right now. Let's see what's going on. Second. For me, it looks like this thing wants to continue up. I'm gonna hang in there. Just trying to get used to this new streaming software. Yeah. All right, let's go to the 1 minute. So we got 9:30. All right, so we're going to look for a break. Let's see where that takes us. Between here right now. So we're just waiting. Again, this gets broken, then we are out of this current trade. Also have news coming at 10 a.m. So news could just drop this thing as well. I really don't want to be trading with news headed our way. Plus, this is an eval. So you can see I'm at 5,600. Need to get this to 9. So 159. So I get a little bit of work left, but so far so good. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. All right, so let me go back. So we're on the 1 minute, and we're trying to see where this thing's going to break. We're consolidating right now. Our MACD is almost oversold. So that's a good sign for this to go down. All right, but we have to get up into here. So it looks like we're going to break up. I don't know. I think it looks like we may break this high. If we do that, this is invalidated. So I'm going to close that, unfortunately. I just downsize here. Oh my goodness. We're doing some FEGs here. So get some fair value gaps. This is an H1 fair value gap, so this is definitely going to get hit, I would say. And we just have a lot here, so that's why I'm thinking we're going to drop today. Just don't like this price action getting near the top. It's way overextended. I'm at 680 now. Okay, so I'm going to close that. Yeah, you see how it closed out of there? So that's not a good sign. Let's see. Break it. As soon as okay, so I'll move this here. Okay, now let's just be patient. We need this thing to close. Once we close out of this box, and then we need a retrace, and then we'll take a trade. Alexa, next song. Everything I was looking at was EBS. Yeah, it's not gonna drop. I think this is gonna drop. Let me see. This came up. Far we come up here. Yeah, see right off the 65 level, which is great. Love that. So I think the same kind of thing here. I'm going to play this right here. So we're following two trades here, gold and SPY, SP 500. Let's get this close. Looks like this wants to break. Let's see what happens here. And here, broke. All right. So now, let's let this thing run a little bit, and then we want to see a retrace back, and then we can pop in. So I'm going to do, put a little, yeah, put an alert. Retrace. Here. Man, I believe this is going to break this. This thing's just been drilling up all night. You think this thing would just want to drop. But let's see. Still consolidating. And again, this is getting higher to the oversold level. We'd like to see it get above this 80 level and then cross over. We got news in 20 minutes. And I believe I'm okay with these guys. This is, what do you call them? This is Elite Trader Funding. I think their news is not an issue. Okay, we broke it. Okay, so I am closing this puppy down. It's okay, we'll make it up. So potentially we're bullish here still. It's really surprising considering the moves we've made all morning. But again, this could very well retrace and just kind of fall right through again. So let's check out US. Starting to come back. It's nice. Might come back to this level. Yeah, a value gap here. So we could come back to this level. Yeah, here it comes. So, like this retrace, okay? After this is done retracing, I need to see another bullish candle, excuse me, bearish candle down. And we'll jump in. Okay, let's see if it stops there. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah. So didn't get much here. So again, this tells me this may drop all the way through. See how that's crossed over? Of course, I closed my trade. All right. So we got some time to wait here. Yes. So I'm expecting it to get into this area. And then see if we can short it. See this? That B crossing over, which means we're headed up here. It could even go through it. It could go higher. Now if that's starting so low, we could just blast right through this as well. So yeah, this is working its way down, which is good. So now what we want to do, got to close here. I think we're going to be bullish. However, I think we're going bearish. So let's wait for the close out of this box here. 30 seconds. Okay, looks like it closed. So now we're going to wait. Okay, so that did break it. Let's let this run a little bit. So I really think this thing's going to drop a lot today. I'm looking down this area, to be honest. Um, but because we got news coming, it sucks. Hard to get into a trade. These things could just kind of hang out until news. Bummer. Even though with news, anything can happen. So let's see. So what we want to see here, I want to see it close, body close outside of this. This thing's just hanging out. Okay, so we're still bullish. This is the 200 EMA. So I kind of use this as a barometer for the trend, kind of see where we're at as far as bullish trend, bearish trend. Typically don't take sells when I'm above the EMA here. However, this thing was so overextended. That's why I was in that sell that I had to close out. So 5 minutes already overbought. 15. 15 starting to wrap its way around, so this is a good sign. Yeah. I think news is going to just plow this thing down, to be honest. So, I think what I'll probably do, 9:50, I still got 10 minutes. So before I do any kind of a trade, just wait a little bit. Okay, guys, just being patient here before we jump in. Yeah, it's starting to make a move. Yes. So ES came and did close. So let's get into the trade here. So, all right. So we're in an ES trade because it retraced, came back, and then it closed outside of our area. Okay, which is a good sign. So what we're going to do is put our stop loss here. And because of news, we've got to just put it here. Can't let this thing go too far because we're going to run out of time before news starts. All right. Keep that going. And actually, what I'll do, because this wasn't hit yet, see that fair value gap there? Right here is a fair value gap. It's a good get here. You see my stop loss? I'm going to just push it back a little bit more. Put it right to the outside of the box. Just to be safe. So we're not quite at a 1-to-1. Let's see, I got in this a little late. Put that there. The only reason for this is because we get news in 8 minutes. I mean, I think this thing could definitely, this is equal lows here, no doubt. You know, get down to this level. Right, 1-to-1 there. Let's put it here, see what happens before news. Okay, gold is moving. Said I'd be in this trade right now, but I hate to do this with news. Okay, so reversing. Come on, let's get out of this box. A little run going before news hits. And I just got to hold off on gold right now, even though it's the play is the sell. All right, so right here, I'd be in the trade. I'm going to target that. Let's see what happens. But again, like I said, news could pop up here and then crash down. So who knows? Okay, on to this one. Five minutes till news. Yeah, sucks. Hate being in this with news. Bummer. I'm gonna have to shut this down. Okay, so we're just hanging out. We're just waiting. We get news in 4 minutes. We are in a trade. However, I may have to close it down because I don't want to be in this during news and just get plowed. Okay. To get this thing back down to break even. That'd be nice. And start more of its way a little bit. Ah, safe bet. We gotta get out. It sucks. It is what it is. We'll have to come back to it after news, unfortunately. See that moving nice? What a bummer. 3 minutes. All right, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna get some coffee. I'll be right back. You guys, I'm back. 1 minute. 1 minute till news. I may just take the sell. This is gonna go down as well. 100%. Do it. Let's do this. I'm gonna blast through all this. Blast through here and then go up. Let's see. 5 seconds. Down. TP. Out here. TP. Son of a bitch. But you know what I mean? You have to get out of it. You can't just hang out. It sucks. Friggin' bummer. Very tempted to get into this because I know this thing's gonna rocket. This is not part of my strategy. Just getting into the trade. Bad hit. I'll take this out here. This guy. Not too bad, huh? Yeah, it's close. $500. I'll take it. All right, folks. That's it for me for today. All right, you can see my strategy did hit. All right, but it was new, so I had to close it out. But we just jumped in and grabbed a few